Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the TieGear Awning Pack. These are basically a guy rope pack that's designed to not only help keep your awning and gazebo stable and secure once they're all set up, but it also helps keep things nice and tidy around camp with this nice little storage bag that's attached to the guy rope, because all that excess rope you can have, instead of having it just float around in the breeze, you tuck it into this nice little zipper bag here and everything just stays that little bit more tidy. One of the other great features on the guy ropes alone is not only do they have that storage bag for all the excess rope, but they have this built-in tensioner for a fast and secure way to tension your guy rope. Inside the packs, you'll find the guy ropes and the tension springs, as well as this really nice storage bag to keep everything organized and together. And you're probably wondering, what is a shock spring? Because we all know what a guy rope is, but what is this little guy? So what this does is goes between your peg and the guy rope, and it's going to help absorb that shock and load from strong gusts of wind, just kind of helping prevent any damage to your awning, your gazebo, and all of your hardware. They're sold as both a 4 and a 6 pack, and I'll quickly run through what they are and why you might choose the 4 or the 6 pack. The 4 pack has 4 of the guy ropes and 4 tension springs, and the reason you go for the 4 pack is if you've just got a pull-out awning, a 180-degree awning, or you're just trying to secure a 3x3 gazebo. As you might expect, the 6 pack has 6 guy ropes and 6 tension springs. The reason you'd go for the 6 pack over the 4 pack is if you're trying to secure a full 270-degree awning, or if you've got a 3x6 meter gazebo. They're a simple upgrade that helps protect your awning and just gives you a little bit more confidence to leave it all set up, whether the wind's picking up or maybe you're leaving camp to go down to the beach or go adventuring for the day. And so that is the TieGear Awning Pack.